My name is Irf Jan Agbon, BSMRE S3MC. Importance of PMIRS 5 resilience in BSMT or BSMRE. Coping with challenges at sea. Mental and emotional stability. Safety, crisis management, professional growth, global maritime standards. PMIRS, particularly the value of resilience, and greatly helped me fulfilling my dreams of becoming a successful seafarer because it prepares me to face challenges of life at sea. The maritime profession is full of uncertainties such as rough weather and periods away from home, cultural differences, and unexpected emergencies. By developing resilience, I will be able to stay strong, focused, and adaptable in difficult situations. Instead of being discouraged by hardship, I will learn to view the differences of growth, self-improvement.